Hey, what's up, Juice Crew? How are y'all doing this, what's today? Tuesday evening. It is about 10, let me show y'all. Oops. 10:56 in the evening. And I am up. So I figured, hey, why not clean out my freezer and organize it? So that's what we're about to do. I went to Dollar Tree Saturday to look for some storage bins, and when I showed y'all, the only thing I could find were these here storage bins. I got 2 of these teal colored ones, and then 3 of these clear. Sorry for the light. My kitchen light and dining room light is extremely bright, but you can see me real good, right? Ooh, and I am sweating. But anyway, so we're gonna start out with taking all the stuff out of my freezer. I don't know, well, I don't think my freezer is dirty, but if it is, I got some Lysol spray that I'm gonna use to clean it out. So, yep, let's get started. Okay, so I am done with the freezer. It was pretty simple, pretty easy. I didn't really need to do much but just put things inside of the bins pretty much. And I have a few things that are left out because I just don't have room for it. I don't know, I'll see. Okay, so if y'all remember how it looked like before, know how my freezer looked before, this is how it looks now. Ta-da! Nothing really different. What I did was just put my vegetables in these bins here. I got 5 in this one here, and I forgot I need to eat these. That's why I left these out. So these are asparagus spears, so I need to eat these. That's why again I left them out. And then in here are some more vegetables and some frozen onions and you know, some opened packages. So this is how this bin looks. And all of this was in here. I have a fruit basket, which is just fruits that I chopped up, and then a bag of fruits that I've already bought. I'm not gonna take this out because it's already stacked full to the brim and I don't want to pull it out. My meats are in the middle. I'm probably going to rearrange this once I get more meat, or you know, when I eat this meat down, then you know, I just replace it, whatever. But then I still have this open space right here to put, the open space right there to put some stuff in there. So, yep. What I have in this basket is my shrimp, some chicken, some sausage, you know, some things that are already open that were in there. My sausage, some rolls and stuff like that. And then what I couldn't find a bag for was for my tote was for my rice cauliflower. So I can just put that there and it's fine. My door is clean. All I have up here is my my real Italian ice cups, some butter, and then this is that ratatouille that I froze that I wanted to keep for I don't know whenever. And then just a little bottle of drink that I got from a friend, and that's it for my freezer. Pretty, you know, easy to manage on my ice tray, but other than that, it looks good and organized. I like it a lot. Alright, Juice Crew, thank you for watching me clean out and organize my small freezer. I hope it gave you some ideas of what you can do to organize your freezer. Thank you again for watching. Hope y'all enjoy and talk to y'all later.